So guys, I've been thinking about starting Twitch, and so I've been studying the way of the Twitch streamer, and I thought you guys might find this entertaining. I just happened to stumble upon it, so...
Who the fuck is Dan Andrews and who the fuck is Daniela Gladys? Who are these people?
Oh my god!
Daniel Andrews is Victoria Premier. Okay, who the fuck is Daniela Gladys? One's Victoria, one's New South Wales. Am I getting that right?
She's cool.
One's the Victoria. Here we go.
This is so
okay,
funny.
Dan Andrews is a Victoria Premier. Gladys very jiggly hands is New South Wales Premier. There we go.
Oh my god. Jesus
I'm asking
Christ.
real questions here. I don't follow politics, so I just don't enjoy it. I have no interest in it at all, to be honest with you.
Well, hey, at least she's honest, and like, I just thought that it was a humorous clip, but like, obviously, if you guys like her channel, or if you want to go check her out, I'll pop her Twitch in the bottom. I just thought that you guys might find that funny too. If you're interested in me starting a Twitch, well, I have a Twitch. I'm just very inactive, so feel free to go check it out. I've got a link in the description, but my Twitch name is Bambiism, so